Have you ever also wondered how long can you hold a trade in Forex? What was the longest time that you ever held a single trade? Leave your comments in the comments section below. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. In the dynamic world of Forex trading, there is no definitive answer to the question of how long you can hold a trade. Unlike some other financial markets, Forex trading does not impose specific time limits on holding positions. You have the flexibility to keep a trade open for as long as you believe it is profitable or until you decide to close it. However, while the potential for long-term gains exists in Forex trading, it's important to understand the risks involved. Holding a trade for an extended period can expose you to increased market volatility. What was once a profitable position may turn into a losing one if market conditions change unexpectedly. Therefore, it's crucial to have a well-defined trading strategy and risk management plan in place. Your strategy should outline your entry and exit points, as well as your risk tolerance. By following a disciplined approach, you can make informed decisions about when to hold or close your trades. Additionally, some brokers may have specific rules or restrictions regarding the length of time you can hold a trade. It's essential to review your broker's terms and conditions to understand any applicable limitations. Ultimately, the decision of how long to hold a Forex trade is a personal one that depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and trading strategy. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, understanding the factors that influence trade duration can help you make informed decisions and maximize your trading potential.